how to use Mico Widget app in mobile phone. So yeah guys, let's start the video. So in this video I'm gonna be show you guys how you can use Mico Widget app. So first of all, you will open the Play Store, and after that go to the search bar and right here the Mico Widget app and tap that. And first, if you don't have the app, so you can download or install from the Play Store and App Store, which you have right now. So you just tap on the install option, and after some moment it will be installed in your mobile phone. Then you can easily open the app and make the account or something, whatever you wanna do on this app, you can do that. And you will use widget and wallpapers and other things that you want to take from this app, so you can use easily. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. So if this video was helpful for you guys, so please like and subscribe for more videos, so it will help you in future for content, tech content. So thanks for watching guys, bye.